Okay, good morning. Welcome to
MathForKids168.
MathForKids number 168. Today we're going to do the second half of the dividing fraction video we started yesterday. And what did we, just reviewing yesterday real quick, what's the definition of division?
It's multiplying by the
A
reciprocal.
divided by B is defined. Do you remember what the defined symbol is?
Is equals with 3.
Right, 3 lines. Is defined to be... Are you worried about the lights going dim for a second? It's just because Mommy started the vacuum cleaner. Okay? Defined, that's the defined symbol. It means super equals. Like, it's so equal it needs 3 lines. Is A times 1 over B. So for example, 4 divided by 3 just means 4 times 1/3. Okay? But for fractions, the reciprocal is a little different. So, well, sorry, not a little different. For fractions, the reciprocal is just tiny, like 1 inch more complicated. 4/3 divided by 7/8 means 4/3 times, what's the reciprocal of 7/8?
8/7.
8/7. And what is 4/3 times 8/7 equal to?
It's 32.
Over 21, yeah, that black. Actually, you know what? Give me that black marker because I need a new marker at work. I'm going to keep that when I bring it to work. 4/3 times 8/7, which is 32 over 21. Okay? Oh, we need to clean this board off. Our erasers are getting fuzzy. All right. How about 19 over 20 divided by, I don't know, 12/10. Oh.
Well, this is 19/20 times 10/12, and we can flip the denominators,
Okay, so stand over there.
which is 19/12 times 10/20.
Okay, so and the reason we can do that is because multiplication is commutative.
Yep.
Right? So that means we're just going to do 19 times 10, and 12 times 20 is the same as 20 times 12. It's just that this makes our fraction way a lot easier, so write it over here. So 19/12 times 10/20 is the same as 19/12 times 1/2. And this is 19/24. Okay, well that's pretty neat. Right?
Yep.
All right. Let's do one more example and then we'll review the general concept one more time. All right, you make up the fractions.
How about 20 over 61 plus
How about divided by?
100? Okay. 27 over 52.
Whoa. Okay. What does this equal?
Well, it's 26 over 61 times 52 27s.
Okay. All right. So we have to compute 20 times 52 over 61 times 27. Okay.
Well, 20 times 52 is easy.
Okay. Does any of this simplify?
No.
No, probably not, because 61 is prime. 27 is just.
Is 3 cubed.
Just 3s. Do any 3s go into either one of these? Does 61 go into any one of these?
No.
Okay, well, whatever. Let's not multiply these out. You picked some crazy numbers. Well, we can multiply these out later. Well, do you know what 20 times 52 is?
No.
Yeah, you do.
It's 104.
Right, it's 1040. That one's at least easy to multiply. 61 times 27 is not the easiest multiplication that anybody's ever done. So we'll just leave it as 61 times 27. Okay, so the general idea, just reviewing, is for any two numbers, A divided by B is a times 1 over b. For regular integers, we're totally happy about this. 3 divided by 4, we just say is 3 times 1/4, which equals
3/4.
3/4. But for fractions, this means, how about 4/3 divided by 6/5? Well, 1 over this, just flip it. 4/3 times 5/6. And what is 4/3 times 5/6? How do we do that?
We multiply the top and bottom. 20 18ths, and that can simplify as 10/9.
10/9. And how could we have simplified it first here? Back up.
5/3 times 4/6, which is 5/3 times 2/3.
5/3 times 2/3, which is also
10.
9ths. Okay, so you can either simplify first and then multiply, or multiply first and then simplify. So, which is simpler? Multiply, simplify, or simplify, multiply?
Simplify, multiply.
Yes. But which one, despite the fact that that's simpler, which one do you always do first?
The other one.
You always go this way. So think about going this way. Okay, so do you think you understand dividing by fractions?
Yep.
Okay, what's the rule for dividing by fractions?
A divided by B is A times 1 over B.
Well, that's not just for fractions, right?
That's for anything.
That's actually for anything. That's the definition of division. I should have put my 3 lines there. Triple equals. That's the definition of division. Okay? So you just flip. Flip, flip, flip. So multiplication and division are really 2 different versions of the same thing.
Yeah.
And the only difference is, to divide, you have to flip first. Take the reciprocal. Okay, so is that it for fractions?
Yep. I think so.
That's pretty good. We talked about what they are, how to compare them, how to simplify them, how to add them, how to subtract them, how to multiply, how to divide. We even talked about, what is it called when you have a number like this, like 1 and
Mixed
3/5?
numbers.
Oh yeah, mixed numbers. We even talked about mixed numbers. Wow, that was a pretty good 2-week review of fractions, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right. So you think you understand fractions?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Good job on this review. Those are a lot of really good videos, hopefully.